morning everyone, it's Martin. I hope you guys have a good morning. I have a good morning. You can see I'm up already, nice and early. And yeah, I'm gonna go back to work now. Gonna go work. It's another day, hard working day. So today I will do some small maintenances. Then I'll go back to my wall to maybe paint my wall or do something there. See if I can quickly do it today. Yeah, I'm so a little bit tired. Not too much, but yeah, have a good morning, afternoon, wherever you are in between the lines. Catch you guys a little bit later. There's my very early ever morning intro. Have a great day. So guys, we fixed the brakes. Flooded, we bleed it, and yeah, that's how it sounds the engine. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking now. Maybe you can take it for a drive, but I'm not sure. So keep you guys updated. So guys, the car has a small problem. I don't know what it is. We want to drive it and I want the footage when you drive and that. I did a small bit of the boss was reffing, not a big part, but maybe later on we can make a small footage of it. But for now I'm still busy with this one. I sprayed that stuff on to take the fork out. I hope it worked. I'm gonna use now, you can see they plasticky to combine it the sand away, but I think I'll have to scrap it a little more. My scrapper is right over there. So I will do that quickly and see how far I can get today. Hopefully I will almost finish it. I'm not sure, I will check what I can do. But yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll update you guys what I'm busy with. Sharp. One more thing. I have a nice Milo here. It's not the Arrow I drink already. Milo, just to keep me some energized, because I'm not tired, not sleepy, but to get energetic and finish the jobs quickly and all that stuff. So hopefully the car will run again. It's a V8 6 liter. But I'm gonna ask my boss if I can do a challenge of the Fairlane 500 and his Ferrari by the 360. I will see later. Maybe I'll ask him. Maybe we can do it today, maybe tomorrow. I will see. Stay tuned. So guys, just sealed up the wall. You can see it's wet. This is just to seal it, to bind it, to make it easier for me to paint. So yeah, that's what I did now, quickly. So I have to do another coat on one side. Another coat, I have to do 3 coats on. I sprayed with the things, take the fork out of the wall, but I just seal it to have not the water to come through again. So maybe I will see later. I have to patch up something or not. I will check later. Maybe something small, maybe nothing. I will check what I can do. I'll update you. Keep you in touch. Sharp. So guys, I'm just sealed the second coat of sealer. I don't know if you guys can see. Mind the birds. The birds make a lot of noise. You can see it's a little bit shiny. I put another coat on. And then I'm almost done with the wall. I think this side here is a little bit of a gap here. And there I think I must put some crack filler in here. Just to make it nice and tidy. Look nice. And that is my profession. I love this job, what I'm doing now. Painting, fixing, plastering, patching, and whatever you can call it. In between the lines. That's what I do, that's what I love to do. I don't like cars, to work on cars always. I just help out. But for now, I am just gonna do this. I put a second coat on of the plaster key, so this is what I did now. And yeah, this is what I'm very good at. You see this wall, I did it I think December I did this wall. And up, it goes up there, in the side, and I repainted it, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm very good at paint jobs, but not always good at car work. Because we are struggling with the car, something's wrong with the one brake was going very hard, and yeah, so we drive around and it was getting very cooking hot, so we took everything off and see what's going on. So now my boss took it to the mechanic to see what the one part is too stiff, maybe can take it out. I'm not sure what they're gonna do there, but I know what I'm doing the wall now. The car take too much of my time. But it's fine because I learn a little bit of everything. And yeah, to the next clip, I'll keep you guys updated. Sharp. Almost end of my day. So guys, it's the end of my day. I had a long day. I work in a car. I patch up the wall. Not yet patch up, but put the sealer on, put the spray, take the fork out, and work in the car. So the part what we need is sent in, so they will fix it for us. Me and my boss don't know how that part really works. So what happened is we can send in, come back, we can put it back all together, and hopefully it will be better. But yeah, this is my end of my day. I'm so tired. Yesterday I was also tired. I was doing the vlog a little, didn't even have to upload it today. So yeah, today was a long day, tired day. So on that note, one thing you guys have to do is like, share, subscribe, don't forget notifications bell. See you guys all tomorrow. Peace out.